Good everyone. This topic about William James. William James, often called the father of American psychology, has greatly influenced how we understand the human mind and behavior. His ideas on pragmatism and functionalism emphasize that truth and knowledge are not fixed, but are shaped by their practical effects in real life. This perspective teaches me that belief and action should not only be true in theory but also meaningful and useful in everyday living. James' focus on the stream of consciousness reminds me that our truths are constantly changing, just life itself encouraged me to be aware of my inner experience to observe how my mind moves from one idea of emotion to another.